What's up guys, it's Charlie. Today I'll be doing another video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a decent paper airplane. Alright, first, for this you can use a ruler if you would like to. I'm not going to, but if you would like to you can. Alright, first thing we have to do, get the paper like that. So, we want the paper to be in half like this, and I've done it wrong. But this one's better. Alright, now we've got the paper after it's been folded like this. You want to open it up like this. Now you want to fold this bit like this. Now you've got it like this. Hold on, I'm going to sort the lighting out. Yeah, that's better. Alright, now we've got it like this. What we're going to do now is get the tip of it, and you just want to get the tip to the edge of the paper at the opposite side, like that. Now we've got that, we're going to get the tip only fold half of it to the top like that. Right, now you see these two spare bits here, you want to fold it like that. So now it's like that. Right, I'll give you some time. Right, once we've got it like that, we want to fold it in half. So we've got it like this. Now what you want to do is just fold the top of the wing, or the top of the paper, and then as soon as it gets to the bottom bit, like that, you just fold it. So let's do the same with the other side. Alright, should be looking like this. Now I've got your paper airplane, but now I'm going to make another one, and I'm going to pause it quickly, and we're going to do two different tests. One of them we're going to cut all of that, but it's like still attached, and then the other one we're not. Right. Okay, so I've got the paper airplane like this. Alright, where are my scissors? Here they are. So I'm just gonna so it's just like, you see how it's all cut? Yeah, so you want to do that on both sides if you've made two. If you haven't made two, it's all good. Alright, so we got it like that on both sides. Now we're going to take them to the stairs. So look, as you can see, one, you might not be able to see it very well, but one's cut and one isn't. Right, we're going to go to the stairs and we're going to throw them down. Okay, so I've got the paper airplanes. Right, first, the one with no cuts. Right, I'm going to go mark this step and then where it is. And so we're going from where it first hit. So it first hit, you can't see it, but it first hit step on it. And it actually, right, the other one went all the way down to the bottom. So, the first one. So there's the first one. So it landed on the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So like the 7th or 8th step down. Now the other one actually landed on the floor in front of the door. And this is the one with the cuts. So we're going to do one more. This one going first this time. And we're going to see how it goes. Right, so it's hit the floor down there. Now this one. That's the same step again, I think. Okay, so this is the one without all the cuts in it. So that's 4. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the 9th step down, which has actually made it 1 more further down. So we'll leave it on there. And again. And then now, watch. So, do I have all the cuts? That made it to the floor again. Right now I'll make the cuts a little bit bigger. And we'll see what happens now. So as this process is just me cutting. Alright. So, as you can see, the cuts are a lot bigger. So the cuts are a lot bigger now. So now this one has got all these cuts. And this one doesn't have a single cut. We're going to see what happens if we cut it just a tiny bit. Alright, so now I've got this one cut as well, and this one with the bigger ones, like the bigger cuts. So let's go. Okay, first we've got the one with not many cuts. I've got the one with all the cuts, like those big ones. Oh, we'll be back in a second. One second. So the one with the bigger cuts did win by 1. So I hope you enjoyed this paper airplane video. If you do comment, I can make more of them. And hold on, I've got 2 that I made earlier with 2 different designs on them. So the first one, the design is the same as them other ones upstairs, but as you can see on the wings, a bit of it's folded in, like in the corner, and then on this one, like the full side's folded in. Now this one looks cool, but it doesn't actually work that well. So if you go back to the start of the video and make it again, you'll also be able to make one like this. But what you do with this one, so you make it the same. So you've got it like this. You just get a tiny bit of the point, fold it inside, fold them bits in, and you've got this. Now these 2 are a lot heavier than the other ones. So yeah. And I'm going to try both of these ones. But one of them has a bigger, like, as you can see, that one's bigger than this one. Like, look at the size comparison. So anyway, thank you for watching my video. I really do appreciate it. Can we smash the like button? And can we get, this is going to be a big one, can we get 13 likes? Yep, you heard me, 13 likes. I know you guys can do it, because you're amazing at doing this. Anyway, see you in a bit. Bye.